Hey there, this is Kamlesh from RestFX. Today in PixArt we are going to see how to create an amazing cyberpunk effect within just 8 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. To download these sample images, kindly check the link in the description. First, we need to crop the image to 3:4 ratio. For cropping, I am selecting Tools and Crop and selecting 3:4 ratio and then check. After this, we need to add our subject. For adding our subject, we need to see the perspective of this image. This is a low angle photography, so our subject needs to be a low angle photography. So I am choosing that kind of image. For importing photo, we need to click Add Photo and then select that photo and then click Add. After importing, we need to adjust this image. For adjusting, I am scaling it, and then we need to remove the background of this subject. For removing background, click Razor tool here and then click Razor and increase the hardness and decrease the size of this brush, and then start to separate the subject from the background. And this is non-destructive. If you have removed the subject, we can always check the restore and paint it there to restore our subject. And finally, we are going to fine-tune this image. For fine-tuning, select the eraser and reduce the hardness to around 60 to 50 and reduce the size to 30 to 40. And now starts to brush on the edges of the image. And finally, click check. Now we are going to match the subject to the background. For matching the subject, click the subject and go to adjust and then increase the brightness, decrease the contrast, select saturation and increase it to 20%. Select hue and here comes the magic. We need to reduce the hue to -20 to -30. And click highlights and increase the highlights. Click shadows and increase the shadows. Now we are going to add some blue tint. For adding, we need to reduce the temperature to blue. And click shadows and increase the shadows a little bit. Go to contrast and decrease the contrast. And come to saturation and increase the saturation. That's it. And these values are not constant, so that for each photos it will be changed. But the hue value is a constant. Keeping the hue at -20 to -30 gives you the red effect, and decreasing the temperature to blue gives you the blue tint. So this is the concept of cyberpunk. And then click check. Now we are going to add some more highlights. For adding, click this check and open draw. In draw, open layers panel and create an empty layer above our subject and then click add. Now close the layer panel. Take our brush and select it to soft round brush and increase the size to 100% and select this option menu and take zoomability like here, and then come back to opacity and reduce the opacity to around 15 to 20% and then click set. After this, we are going to change our brush colors. For changing, click colors and click color picker and pick any highlight colors. And then zoom out and just draw like this. And then open the layers panel and reduce the opacity to see the magic. And this is before and this is after. Close the layers panel and click check. And we are going to do some adjustments. Go to tools and select adjust. Here increase the brightness a little bit and increase the contrast a little bit and increase the saturation a little bit. Click clarity and increase clarity a little bit. And here comes one more tip for this. You can see that it is pink and blue. We can create a cyan and magenta like that effect. For creating that, go to hue and reduce the hue to -20. And here we can get the cyan and magenta or pink, some sort of colors. And this is the method to create the best cyberpunk effect in PicsArt. And click highlights and increase the highlights a little bit and decrease the shadows a little bit for creating the depth. And come to temperature and handle the temperature to play with magenta and cyan. It is okay for me. I am clicking check. And still there is something is missing. We need to create the lens blur. For creating lens blur, click effects, go to blur and select lens blur. And again tap the lens blur to adjust it. Reduce the radius to somewhere around 15 or 14 and reduce the lightness to somewhere around 15 or 14 and change it to triangle. Now see before and after of the lens blur. And it is okay for me. Now we are going to remove the blur from our subject. For removing, click razor and select eraser tool and increase the hardness to 72 and reduce the size of the brush. And then close this and just paint over our subject. And finally click check and then check. And that's it, my friends. If you really like this video, kindly click the thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss our videos. Thank you, friends.